Hello. So for people watching the VOD, if you could comment why you click off after like 20 seconds, that'd be awesome. Just taking constructive criticism, stuff like that. Uh, oh, I need to log out of my email. Oh, hold on. Okay, there you go. Um, so I tried to upgrade the mic a little bit, and you're not hearing any of the music. I don't know why, honestly. Uh, I don't know why that would be. Uh, Maybe I'll have to make the chat client come back. Hey, chat client, take it. If I tried to set up like a noise torch, didn't seem to work very well. Okay, for some reason that works. Um, this must be what? That shouldn't that shouldn't work. What? Hyper. What? All right. So something's wrong with my audio setup. Wait, oh no, no, that makes sense. Never mind. Something. Uh, okay. Well, you're gonna get all my audio, and hopefully, wait. If I mute it, okay. Seems to be working. Cool. Anyway, so why like that? Oh yeah, because polybar crash. So I did a little bit. So remember I was like stumped here. It's like oh crap, and then I was like no, I surrender. I went away. Now it works. Look, I surrendered in a different way. I just made 4 different implementations. Yeah, yeah, that's what I did. Gosh, yeah. It's kind of a little ridiculous, honestly. So okay, the plan. So if I've showed this many times, but obviously, no one watched it. So, um, these bits they got meanings. Like that's got a meaning there. Stuff. Um, it shouldn't have a meaning. Anyway, I'll figure it out. The idea is to make the UI, not semantic. So we need to create a meaning thingy in the document view. And then the sentence view is to tell the document view the meaning. So first, we need meaning. And this meaning is going to be in text. Gosh, it's so scuffed. It is kind of scuffed. It's pretty scuffed. Anyway, so we're gonna just initialize this text. Oh wait, what am I doing? That is not. I'm gonna initialize the text as just some dumb stuff. Oh yes, I meant literally. That was funny. Okay. And then okay, that's already face.clone. There you go. Some dumb stuff. Okay, fine. String. I should have like an into string thing or something like that. Oh well. Oh god. For now, it's gonna be that. And then we'll have to implement something to update what the text is, which shouldn't be too hard at all, actually. So thinking is hard. What was I thinking? The next goal, we need to make the text actually show up. So right now we have the sentences just kind of filling up the screen. And I think I'm going to make the sentences for now just like scroll side to side. Like you just flip through the sentences instead of it being all on a list. So it's easier. And I really just want to get like a minimum viable product out. So construct for, wait, we need to set up, so right now we have this text filling the whole screen, and it should not fill the whole screen. And I don't remember where I told it to do that. I told it to do it in the sentence view. Self.fill target. Yeah. Oh wait, oh no, I do give it a fill target. What? Fill area. Oh, okay. Never mind, here it is. So I want to make this like, should it be the bottom or the top? Top. So, or the meaning is going to be on top. So this is gonna, I think I'm just gonna set it to the bottom 80%. So I'll do that. We gotta just, here. I'm gonna break this out into multiple lines. It is kind of long. Kind of should be like that already anyway, because it's a lot of properties. What did I put? Which press? Anyway. I kind of don't like all of Rust Analyzer's. The music's kind of loud for me. Let me see. Oh, my mic is peaking a little bit. Turn that down a little bit. But I also got a notification on my phone for Tufts admission, your college search. Thank you. This doesn't. That's maybe a little. I don't know. I listened back to the video last time and it seemed kind of fine. So I kind of don't want to mess with it. I already did turn it down a little bit just in YouTube slidey thingy. Though actually, I don't think YouTube slidey thing actually. Wait, hold on. Does YouTube slidey thing actually change that volume? Okay, it does. Because it's just, I know it changes like it on the actual sync instead of it being like a dynamic thing. I didn't know if OBS like kind of for that, because it doesn't do that in Windows. Like if you, well, that's that's for your I don't know. Anyway, I'm getting into audio stuff, and that's not what I'm looking for right now. Button center. So the scale is going to be the same. Actually, I have methods to do this already. I think just built into. I don't remember. So it should be like, oh, scaled. But that doesn't. That's not gonna work. Whatever. I'll figure it out. So it's same SX, SY. Fill area is gonna be same SY. The sender is gonna be all the same. And then the CY is gonna be the original CY minus. Wait, this should be. I don't know why. Fill area times 0.2, but maybe it might be doubled. No, well, it's doubled and then it's halved. That's how I think how it goes. So it ends up being just like a reciprocal. But it's not reciprocal. The complement. Oh. I just want to make sure, like, we won't really be able to tell. Hopefully it goes down. Should go down. Yeah, look, it's down. Is that too far down, too little down? Who knows? Yeah, I don't have a way of telling. So, not sure if that works. And now I need... How do I do it for the... Oh, for the fill component, it did it on init. So this should do it on init too. Or fill container, sorry. Yeah. That meaning fill. Dot. Why is that so weird? Oh, because I'm not doing anything that makes sense right now. Okay. And then this should be +0.8. I don't know. Grab it. That's self all that. There you go. It shouldn't crash. I don't know why it would, but I guess we'll try it. Just run it up. Yeah, look at that, doesn't crash. And then we have to add to the construct. So start. Oh wait, what am I'm lines dot append self dot meaning dot construct dot 0. There we go. Some dumb stuff, and that definitely looks like it's in the top 20%. And yeah, it's gonna not react well to sizing because we don't have the signal receivers doing stuff with it. So let's do that. We could do this with fill containers and vec. Well, you can't do it with a vec column. I was thinking maybe I should make a column trait earlier, so then it has like some trait methods that you can use, but you'd still have to. If you have differing types, I think it doesn't matter. Well, no. Yeah. No. Yes. Well, because they're in different spots in your properties, so you can't. You have to set up some kind of order, and then that's like all new code, because the code for the vec column is. So, yeah, we're just gonna do it like this. So this is receiving any signal that doesn't have a response, so we don't need that. This is getting a signal that you just pass up. I guess that's cool. You can just pass it up. I didn't quite think of that. Yeah, the vec tray doesn't work every time. So you might have to create another struct to contain that. For now, I think we can just ignore it. then here we can just do callback dot for stuff dot meaning dot take signal. Right? Oh, how did that happen? The tree band signals. The following implementations are found. Oh, come on. I'm just gonna. Come on. The thing. It did the thing. Oh, that's epic. I'm so proud, honestly. That's so cool. Okay, so that should work for most things. It won't work for the. No, it should. No, it won't. Expected reconstruct callback found struct back. Oh no. Oh no. Oh yeah. That's why. Okay, so I'm gonna have to create a direct implementation for this. It shouldn't be too bad. We don't have any trade bounds, I don't think. So receiver, person to the signal, reconstruct callback, file targets. Or document view. And just copy and paste this. Right? Oh no. Oh. Yeah, that's an important part of that. Conflicting implementation. Oh, I'm gonna have to write different implementations for everything. Fine, I'll do it. I'm just gonna get weak implementation. That's kind of we don't need any trade balance. We don't. Why, if I don't need trade balance, then why am I doing all this? Go away. So now I have to kind of do the same thing I did down here, where I just copy and paste all the same code every time. So we got resized. I feel like I shouldn't have to do this. Expected found tuple. Yeah, that would happen. We could ignore it on that. Okay. It's working. So. And now we have just implement mouse down, mouse left down, and mouse left up. And that takes nothing this time. Mouse left up. And this time it returns nothing. Conflicting implementations. What? Oh. You don't need to do any of this reconstruct callback stuff. I know it's kind of annoying because I know I'm going to add all this later. I just kind of wanted to compile right now. Oh, I still need the for loop. There's so much like Rust analyzer garbage everywhere. It's I don't know. I feel like it could be useful, but I don't see it as very useful. Stuff. Yep, we can select that, resize it. Cool. Everything behaves as expected. And now this code is getting long. Next goal. I don't have a next goal right now. Let me think for a second. I'm out of water. That's so sad. I need to get the select callback pushed up to the sentence view. So I need to create a select callback. Oh wait, I already added the select callback. Gosh, I'm so good. I need to listen to the select callback. Why is this tabbed out? What is going on here? Okay. Oh, I just... Okay, that's fine. So, I'm just going to implement it on the cursor one for now. Cursor moved. Oh, I already did. God, I'm so good at this. Wow. Okay. I just need to listen to it. Cool. So I'm just gonna put it to a name. I don't want to have to do all that. Oh wait, I'm gonna. There we go, and then we can put callback. And then I forget. This is gonna be directly. It's gonna be like a container. So all that. I don't know why it's not telling me it's type. It definitely knows what it is. There's no way it doesn't. It says it. Should say it. Doesn't, I guess. Fine. It knows what it is saying. Okay. Gonna make me do all this implementation stuff myself. Fine. Or import text. There you go. That's good. Alright. I don't remember what it's actually called. Update. Alright, cool. And then I kind of I want to make sure that I'm getting to this point and it's actually giving me something reasonable. Every time I hit my desk, it's gonna make big noises, but sorry. Yeah. Seems to be good. Nice. So then I'll be able to select all the things. Cool. And yeah, it's only well, yeah, it gives me an extra one for when I let go, right? It's it's because changing the char side. Yeah, that is kind of excessive. Oh well. I can't really avoid that in case people want to implement some stuff that doesn't. I could have a selection change, but I don't want to show it until it's actually. Oh, all these are when it's dragging. I want it to show it when it lets go as well. So I don't know. Oh, yeah, that's why I don't need it on the cursor move signal. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, I guess this one. I need it on the up signal. That's the only one I care about right now. Okay. And then that's gonna cause a bunch of errors everywhere. So it's like that. Then. So if it's either of these, then it'll always be changed. So I kind of want to put it in its own thing. And it's trying to return here. It doesn't need to do that. Select. Let's see. Go back. Date. And just here select state and then clone it. Probably. Okay. And I'm gonna get rid of this here completely. I don't need it at all. Fun. Okay. Now I need to implement this though, but that's easy. Then I'm just gonna do that now because it only has one thing. And select state. I don't know why I'm doing it. Just do it up here. Ear itches. That is so uncomfortable. Hold on. Alright, I'm good. It's so weird how it doesn't autocomplete at all. It's never like done that before. I might have to update Rust Analyzer or something. XXXD. I got that. Is it gonna autocomplete at all now? No. If it's none, then okay, we're gonna have to add another property to sentence view. It's gonna be option simple. I'll have a callback in here soon, but you know, it'll be like that. Okay. Vice President years. Why is it not? Wait, what? Oh. So let's see, dragging should be impossible, but I'm not going to make an optimization for that. I don't know if I could, honestly. And then there's simply a selected. And do a selection. Okay. So we're gonna have to create a new function in here. Okay. Oh, so scuffed. If self dot it's kind of like this instead. I don't like that. Wait, actually, what did I call it? I call it component tree. So I'm gonna start calling it component tree, even though I don't have the. That's not what I call. I call it the sentence component. Or something. Sentence view component. Yeah. It's a tree though. So. All right. I don't know why I changed the name of the function. Why? Oh. What are your properties? You get start point, end point. Selection dot. Equal to. These should be the same. When I wrote the start point, end point, I kept in mind. I used the len instead of like character indexes, so it should be the same as how the selection is mapped out. So if selection dot start is equal to component tree dot start and selection end. Oh wait. I could have an early kill. I feel like an early kill would be good. Well, actually, no, we don't need an early kill because it'll go in order. Yeah, it's good. Never mind. Then return. And then I want it, for now, it's just going to be exactly. I'm future I'm gonna have like a leeway kind of thing, but for now it's this. Otherwise, oh wait, early kill might still be useful. I'm not gonna think about early kill right now. How did I do that? The early kill would be like if the selection start is greater than, or if the component start is greater than the selection start, then like because it's already ordered, then anything else is impossible. So I'm gonna do that. Alright. Now my other ear itches. Oh wait, I don't have my headset on my head, so I can grab my headset all I want. Oh, that's awesome. Here we go. Now I have to match one tree. Oh wait. Tree. Oh, children. What? Oh. Yeah. I'm thinking like JavaScript or something. Let's start point. I think I'm just gonna do the pass it on. Yeah. So match. I'm gonna make this a reference to selection too. So itself selection media. Yep. Or so if this ends well, then it just returns it. So we need to add some kind of match here. Okay, if it's none, just ignore it. Okay. Why is this complaining so much? Oh, really? That's not asking me to clone it? Okay. I thought it would. Oh, never mind. Yeah, of course it would. Fine. Then we meaning that tree, then a reference to selection. Cool. Oh. It's already a reference. Weird. Oh, maybe it's not. Never mind. I mean, selection can probably be copied. Oh. Yeah. Selection can inherit copy. Okay, so no references. Where selection? Yeah, you don't need a reference for that. Okay, and then if it's sun, get a moon. Actually, you know what? This works. And then we'll just do an EQ. So if I'm gonna enable this new meeting just because that's how I've been labeling that. Meeting is not equal to self meeting selected meeting. Then not selected meeting equals new meeting. Cool. I just wanted to print out the meeting then. Be easier. It's gonna get moved. That's not an option too. There you go. Yo. Oh, that's awesome. Yo. Oh, let's go. All right, all right. So now I just need to make a callback for this. And then messages. Oops. So changed. Select meaning upload. And that solves that. Solves that. Oh wait. Change callback. Feels bad being eat up. How did I reference this quick? Yeah. Okay, that's fine then. Change. Then this should be called meaning change. Probably should be called meaning callback. There we go. No change. And then updated. And yeah, I know that's a different verb tense, but I feel like that makes more sense. That change. Then this is in callback. Maybe it should be changed. Anyway, whatever. What? What does it mean? Oh, if. Okay. Then this will be much. I'm gonna put that in else block just because I know. Oh yeah, it has to be an else block unless I want to do like return, and then yeah, that's also no change because we ignore that, and that's also no change. And then let's put cry for some reason. Expected has an incompatible type for tree if and so does you change the output type to mesh. Oh. There you go. And now something should be complaining. I guess it won't be because yeah, I took out the generic implementations. So now this actually has data, right? It's not gonna tell me, but okay. I don't need to assign the variable. No change. If it's no change, ignore it. We can cover it. Updated. Then give me a meaning. And then I'm gonna match this meeting. It's updated every time it's updated. I don't care what sentence it is. I'm just gonna set it because theoretically only one sentence could be said at a time, so it shouldn't be a problem, or selected at a time, or yeah, have a selection, have a meaning. You know what I mean? Yeah. Option string. So if it's some, then we're gonna set the text, and I don't know how we're gonna do that yet, but that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, it's gonna have to send up a reconstruct signal. Well, it's fine with me. I'll send you a reconstruct signal. Now I don't have to worry about the reconstruct signal because I don't have the ability to update what the text is yet. So I'll do that right now. So if the text is updated before it's initialized, technically it doesn't have to reconstruct, but it's kind of jank otherwise. And could I have it as a function? What would be the problem with having it as a function? Making it a signal would be like using the standards that I got so far, but having it as a function is just so easier. Why would you have a signal to change all that? Yeah, it should just be a function. So you have the fill is just a function. Yeah, we don't need a signal for that shit. Oh, okay. Nothing. Okay. And it's gonna have to clear. It's gonna have to clear the selection. Though I don't really have to listen to that yet. And just ignore that. I'll have it on the thing. Yeah. That. Yeah, okay. String. And then it's gonna reflect state callback. And a reconstruct callback. Though you should know that you have to reconstruct every time. Like you don't really, and you should know that the select state is reset every time. You can make that assumption. And it's a function that you're calling yourself. It's not a signal. So I'm gonna just say you don't need it. I don't need to tell you because you should know what you're doing when you call this function. It's gonna just completely reset it basically. So 12 dot. Do I even save it? No, I have to save it. Oh wait, and there's gotta be Andy 12. That's why I'm not. This new text. But then I need to check if it hasn't been constructed yet, then it doesn't have to be. Like reconstructed. Oh wait. Oh yeah. I wasn't gonna have a callback. Yeah, so Wait, but I still have to check if I need to recompute. So if self dot let's self dot lines, then self dot compute bars, and if let select state none. Well, I kind of want it to be like when it's not none. Oh yeah, I can just do this. Let's say it's not equal to none. Oh wait, well, let's see. What am I doing? There we go. I have to derive partially Q. Go through everything and add all the derives. Right now is not happening. Drag state partially Q. Okay. Now. And then set the compute. There you go. So yeah, it's gonna always get reset. If it's already been constructed, it's always gonna have to be reconstructed because it's gotta recompute the terms. Yes. Okay. So now self meaning dot set. I don't know. I don't know why it's not working, or at least not showing up. Maybe it's just being dumb. That's the placeholder I'm gonna do. And self that meaning. Oh, that should be this line. But this is gonna be similar, so there you go. And I want to make this that too. Okay, that should be it. Should work. You know what I said? It should be obvious that you have to reconstruct, right? Yeah. And for some reason, I didn't do it. Okay. But it's just gonna be reconstruct callback on target. Otherwise, it's false. Oh, crap. And frick. Oh, here we go. And now the final modification. Copy, paste. That should be good. You also an evil person. Okay, because of previous. Yokata. Glad you're an evil person too. And I know that's not the official translation. That's it's more of a literal translation. It's I forget. It's like I'm glad you're evil too. But I'm good with this. That's awesome. I'm oh my god. I'm so glad right now. Oh. Anyway. So by the way, I noticed on my main channel, I got 252 subscribers right now, which is epic because that's more than 250. I mean, it's a new subscriber milestone. But what's not epic is that I have no plans. Never did. So I don't know what to do for that, but I'll figure that out. Yeah, I have no idea. But anyway, bye.